Republic Day is the national holiday in India when the country marks and celebrates the day on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act as the governing document of India, thus turning the nation into a newly reformed republic. A committee was created later on August 29 to draft a permanent constitution for independent India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was made the chairman of the committee. On November 4, 1947, the committee drafted the constitution and submitted to the Constituent Assembly. The assembly met in numerous sessions for nearly 2 years before finally adopting the constitution. On January 24, 1950, 308 members of the assembly signed two handwritten versions of the agreement, one in Hindi and one in English. After much deliberation and a few changes, the constitution came into effect 2 days later, on January 26, 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad began his first tenure as a president of Indian Union on that day.